As the whole world is fighting against a common enemy, the COVID-19, the NSS unit of St. Anthony's College, Shillong decided to do something different from other years' Independence Day celebration. Considering the circumstances that it is not possible to celebrate as a group, so the NSS program officers along with few students, volunteers, present and past pupils together made it possible to pass the Independence Day message through this short video.
My dear countrymen, on behalf of the NSS unit of St. Anthony's College, Shillong, I, Professor Wanplai Parkhosni, one of the program officer of NSS St. Anthony's College unit, take this privilege to wish each and every one of you a happy Independence Day of our great country, India. On this day, we commemorate the supreme sacrifices made by our freedom fighters of yesteryears, both men and women, from across the length and breadth of our great nation, to give us this air of freedom that we each can breathe after freeing us from foreign yoke. As NSS volunteers, we are honored to have been a part of various nation-building initiatives which we as a unit undertake from time to time. On this Independence Day, we pledge our continuing support to the endeavor of the National Service Scheme, which is in keeping with its motto, not me, but you. Long live NSS, long live St. Anthony's College, evermore, better ever. Jai Hind.
My name is Meghalaya ASHA, a former student cum NSS volunteer of St. Anthony's College, Shillong. I would like to wish a happy Independence Day to all my fellow countrymen. And on this Independence Day, I would like to ask each and every one of us to remind ourselves that India is a sovereign, a socialist, a secular and a democratic country. And as a democratic country, it is our responsibility to uphold the principle of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity, and to break free from the shackle of all the unreasonable societal customs and practices. Rashiduddin Khan once said that India is like a bouquet of flowers, which is not complete without a mixture of the different kinds and the different colors of flowers. So also, India needs unity in its diversity. Stay home, stay safe, and Jai Hind.
On our 73rd year of freedom, I'd like to wish all my brothers and sisters a happy Independence Day.
Hello everyone, this is Oshana Visida, a student of St. Anthony's College from the Department of Biotechnology and a member of the NSS team. I would like to wish all my countrymen, the faculty and my fellow college mates a very happy Independence Day. Quoting John Kennedy, ask not what the country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. As the entire mankind is now striving to fight against this pandemic, let us take the pledge as Indians to unite and join hands and abide by the protocols as set by the Government of India and maintain social distancing, just the way we united and fought during this freedom struggle to attain independence. Stay home, stay safe, a very happy 73rd Independence Day once again.
Hello everyone, this is Vicky Shanshala, a student of St. Anthony's College, Shillong from Economic Department and an NSS volunteer of our college. Today, as we are celebrating the 73rd Independence Day of our great nation India, I would like to wish you all my countrymen a very happy 73rd Independence Day. As we are celebrating this day, let us not forget the struggle made by our great leader to fight for the freedom that we are enjoying now. Celebrating Independence Day means, to me particularly, it means putting another challenge for ourselves, what we can do for our nation.
Thousands of people laid down their lives for our country to breathe this day. We should never forget their sacrifice. Today we stand out so high, shed those tears, all we remembered. All died for me, you, and our whole country, risking their precious life each and every day. Here is a salute. Happy Independence Day.
My dear countrymen, now we have reached to another milestone of our great country, India. As we are celebrating this 73rd Independence Day, it is right to remember the sacrifice and dedication of all our freedom fighters, who we, the present generation, are able to celebrate this special day today. Let us value and respect this special gift that we have received from our ancestors. As the year passed by, we have lived in so many changes in our country. So, as a true citizen of the country, let us commit to our country and follow their footsteps and lift our national flag up high. Happy Independence Day and Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, I'm Shining Star Thaba, past pupil of St. Anthony's College and an ex-member of NSS Unit St. Anthony's College. On this 73rd Independence Day celebration of our great nation, I extend my heartfelt greetings to all my fellow countrymen a very happy Independence Day. Our brave and glorious freedom fighters had liberated us from foreign rule, and it's a basic duty as a responsible citizen of this country to furthermore liberate our nation from the internal challenges prevailing at present times, like poverty, injustice, inequality, corruption, violence, and above all, let's erase hatred that we have among our fellow citizens who aren't from our tribe, religion, or caste. Let's stop alienating each other. Let love dwells among us. Let peace be our goal. Let progress be our priority. Let us all join hands in building a stronger, brighter, and peaceful India. Thank you. Kublai Shibun. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, this is Yapramiki, student of St. Anthony's College from the Department of Geology. I would like to wish my fellow countrymen a very happy Independence Day.
Greetings to my fellow countrymen. I, bin Shillong from the Department of Physics and a member of the NSS St. Anthony's College, wishes a happy 73rd Independence Day. On this day, let us salute the great freedom fighters who fought for the freedom we enjoy today. At such a time as this, where we live amidst a pandemic, let's support our frontline workers, COVID warriors, and our soldiers in our prayer. Let us build and develop our country to be a self-reliant and a country free from any kind of discrimination. Let us be Indians with a positive mindset. Thank you. Jai Hind.
A very happy Independence Day to everyone. This is me, Jayanta Chanda from St. Anthony's College, 4th semester Bachelor of Commerce. I'm speaking this on behalf of the NSS Unit St. Anthony's College. This Independence Day, let's remember the roots. Let's remember the stories of those unsung heroes who sacrificed all they had for us to live a day with pride. Today we all stand together and prouder than ever because of the sacrifices they made for us. This pandemic has made us realize a lot of things. How well we have been fighting this pandemic. We should start focusing more on how well we can contribute to our country, how well we can serve our country. We should start focusing more on the well-being of others, and also how we can be a better human being than we were yesterday. I'd like to conclude my video by saying a Hindi quote which goes, "ए भारत तेरे बंदे हम मर जाएंगे पर न रुकेंगे ये कदम हम न तब रुके थे हम न अब रुकेंगे चाहे जो हो जाए कुछ तो कर दिखाएंगे सलाम है उस हर हिंदुस्तानी को लहू से लिखा है जिसने हमारे इस तकदीर को जय हिंद जय भारत"।
Namaste, a very happy Independence Day to each and everyone out there. I am Sandhya Lakshmi Pathak from Biotech Department, and today I want to dedicate one song to the ones who are protecting us 24/7 in the borders. है मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Adu. I just want to wish a happy Independence Day to each and every one of you. This year Independence Day celebration would be different, on which we cannot go to the ground and celebrate like we used to do in the past year because of this pandemic. However, that doesn't mean that we cannot celebrate Independence Day. We can by celebrating in our own houses, and that's why I take the opportunity to thank all the health workers, the frontliners who are sacrificing their life in order to protect us from this common enemy, that is the COVID-19. So thank you, and may God bless you and give you more power and strength in order to fight this enemy. And I believe that one day we will overcome this problem. I salute to you all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hey everyone, this is Kinelam Hanbo. I'm here to wish Happy Independence Day to everyone, all the Indians from the north, east, south and west. So happy independence and Jai Hind.
Hi everyone, I'm Betsy.
And I'm Sumaira.
As we all know that this year we will be celebrating our 73rd year of independence, and we also know due to this pandemic we are all inside our houses and unable to go out and celebrate like other years. But still, let's not forget to keep patriotism in all our hearts.
And let's not forget our past struggles. And right now, our frontliners are the freedom fighters. So let us help them and support them in every way possible.
And let's not forget to keep them in our prayers. And both of us would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, I'm Amanda Im, Program Officer of National Service Scheme St. Anthony's College Unit. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. And as we observe this occasion, may we think of freedom as the opportunity to do what is right, to stand for truth, and to be relentless in our fight for justice. May we continue to be a blessing to others as we extend our hand to serve society by upholding the NSS motto, not me, but you. Jai Hind.